Every aspect of our daily lives, from the alarm clock that wakes us up in the morning, to the bridges we cross on our way to work, to the smartphones we use to stay connected, is a testament to the power and importance of engineering. Today, we dive into the world of the Karlsruher Bezirksverein, a regional association within the Verein Deutscher Ingenieur, or the Association of German Engineers. This association plays a crucial role in the region, regularly hosting lectures, excursions, conferences, and seminars. These activities are not just academic exercises, but they are practical applications of engineering knowledge designed to foster competence and ensure the right networking among engineering professionals. Picture this: a Tuesday evening, a room full of curious minds ready to absorb new knowledge, and a seasoned engineer at the podium, sharing his insights from years of experience in the field. This is a typical scene at the Karlsruher Bezirksverein's regular lectures. Then, imagine a group of engineers, equipped with hard hats and safety vests, exploring an industrial site, seeing firsthand how theories learned in classrooms and books apply in real-world settings. This is what happens during their excursions. But it doesn't stop there. The association also organizes conferences, where engineers from all walks of life come together to discuss the latest advancements in the field, and seminars that provide in-depth exploration of specific topics. The Karlsruher Bezirksverein is more than just a club. It is a hub of competence that ensures the right networking. It is a place where practice meets theory, where professionals share their knowledge and experiences, and where the next generation of engineers learn the ropes. With their event series, the association aims to promote this even further. They strive to actively accompany their events in multimedia form, in word, picture, and sound, to reach a wider audience and to make engineering more accessible to the public. So next time you hit the snooze button on your alarm clock, drive over a sturdy bridge, or send a message on your smartphone, remember the engineers who made it possible. And remember the Karlsruher Bezirksverein, the association that fosters their knowledge, competence, and networking. In summary, the Karlsruher Bezirksverein is an integral part of the region, connecting competence and ensuring the right networking among engineers. Through their regular activities and events, they make engineering more tangible and accessible, fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation of this vital field.